Here's how to chat with Amazon customer service. So I left a quick link in the description down below. That's a one-click link to get you to Amazon chat. And from there, you can just chat with them, figure out the item that you're trying to chat about or whatever it is the question that you have. If you've tried this before, you know it's hard to get to Amazon chat. So I'll show you how you can navigate to it as well, and at least the process that I use. And you might get the AI chat or you might get an associate. Sometimes the AI chat can help you right away and it works. Sometimes you just say, I need to speak to an associate a few times and then, or I still need help with this, something like that. And eventually it will get you to a real person. But to get to Amazon chat, we need to go up to our account. We could just click on this and then we're going to end up on this page. Now we should see a little bubble in here that says customer service. And inside of here, we're going to look around a little bit because they changed this around a lot. So it's going to show us some orders, our order history, need a quick answer on something. If we scroll down a little bit, we should see a section right here that says something else, like I need help with something else. And so when we click on that, it's going to say pick what you need help with. And I usually like to go ahead and click I need help with something else again. So you might have to do that a couple times, and there we go. It opened up the chat window over here. Now this account that I have doesn't currently have any orders or anything, so the chat wouldn't work. But you can then connect with an associate in case that error does pop up, and you can actually get into the chat. So I click connect with an associate, and maybe I have to do a phone call. But for the most part, if you're logged into your account, when you click through I need help with something else a couple times, it will get you to the chat. Now, if you have a question about a specific product, you'll see, or a specific order, you'll see your subscriptions, your orders, your Amazon devices, digital content, all that kind of stuff will show up in that customer service tab. And you can actually click on one and begin a chat about that product. But sometimes that gets you to a dead end. Like I've clicked on a product or an order. I want to talk about a specific outcome and there's just no option to do that. And so that's where I just go down and click something else a couple times until I get to that actual chat window and I'm able to actually speak with someone. Now, like I said, there's a quick one-shot link in the description down below that will take you straight to Amazon chat as long as you're logged in to whatever your account is. And that's probably the easiest way to get to chat. I tried to dig around for the exact URL so that I can click it and not have to go through this process every time. And it worked for me, certainly could work for you too, if that is a quick shortcut that makes sense for you. That's how you can chat with Amazon customer service.